Hello, I'm Michelle with True Manufacturing Company, and I'm at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, and today we're talking about true residential luxury refrigeration. So what we have right here are two of our most popular under-counter models. We have the 24-inch beverage center with a glass door, and we have the dual zone under-counter wine, also 24-inch. And one of the things that I like about this unit is that you can fit the same number of bottles in it as you could with our single zone, and it's the exact same price. So if you're the kind of family who drinks a little bit of red and a little bit of white or maybe some sparkling, you don't lose any storage capacity by having the two separate zones. Another thing that I like about all of our under-counter residential models is that they're UL rated for indoor and outdoor use, even if they are powder coated such as these are, and even if they are somewhere where it's Havasu hot or on a yacht. If you want to experience any of True's beautiful refrigeration, the under-counter models that we're talking about today, please join us at any of Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center's beautiful showroom locations in Torrance, Studio City, Calabasas, and in South Coast Plaza, Costa Mesa. Thank you so much.